that?
It's a Play-Doh box.
And what's inside? It's
A mermaid.
Ariel. Ariel the mermaid.
Ariel the mermaid.
You want to open it?
Can you help me?
Wow.
I got monster.
Kennedy, what is that?
Mermaid.
It's a mermaid? What's her name?
Blue. Mommy, you have to fix this.
Oh yeah, we have to put that together, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. You had to do it.
Oh, you want me to do it? Alright, let's do it. Ta-da! We put it together. This Little Mermaid set is all done. And here we have some utensils and really cool Play-Doh. What color is that in your hands?
Pink.
What other colored Play-Dohs do you have?
Purple. Green. Pink. Green.
Awesome. Are you ready to start making some stuff?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm gonna do this one.
Awesome. Let's do that one. But first I want to show this one. This one's different. It says Play-Doh Plus. I want to see what it is. Oh, look at that. It's really soft. Very soft.
Let's do this one.
Okay, open it up. Let's see it. Look at that one. It's got little bits of shimmer. It's shiny. It's got glitter inside.
And it looks like shimmer and shine.
It looks like shimmer and shine. Look, this one opens and closes.
But
We have to make her a dress. Let's make her a skirt. Like in the picture. See?
ta-da!
Oh, it's beautiful. So what do we do with this ball? Where does it go? Can we hide it in the shell like a pearl? I like that. Oh, she fell. Want to squish it?
I'm gonna make ta-da!
Oh, it makes shapes. Look at that. On the other side too? Oh, wow. Snail? Oh, look, it's flounder. There's more shapes that you can make on the back. Stars and leaves. All sorts of really pretty things.
I'm gonna do the shape.
Ta-da! Look at this leaf. Here, put the Play-Doh in there. And then take this and push it out and see what comes out. Oh, there it goes. Cool. You did it. Keep pushing it out. Wow, it's awesome. Look at the seahorse crossing the Play-Doh. It's gonna make all sorts of shapes. Whoops. Look at that. It leaves a trail. And the wheels make shapes too. Look, we made a stand for Ariel. Now she can stand on her balcony. Look, more shapes inside the balcony, so let's see it. Whoa, it fell down. Ta-da, she's sitting on her balcony. But look at that. Wow, look at these fish. This feels really different from regular Play-Doh. We got curly. Oh. Whoa, what are you making? A rose?
No.
Looks like a rose. We made her a dress. Seaweed, music notes, shells, snails, stars, and this is supposed to be a seahorse. Kennedy made a seahorse for the dress. So pretty, look at that. She goes on the balcony like that. Ta-da!